Hi, I'm Paddy from the Colorspray network. I'm here today just to show you how easy it is to spray paint some general building plastics on site using the Omnicoat-S 1K aerosol. Before we get started, I just want to make clear we're in a very well ventilated space. I'm wearing nitrile gloves, but for any other information about the technical application of the product and the safety information for the product, there's two very handy QR codes on the back of the product. If you scan these with your phone, they'll take you directly to the documents. In preparation for spraying these general building plastics, it is advisable to use a general cleaner or degreaser to remove any surface contaminants from the substrate. Once you've done that, using an abrasive pad, you want to wipe down the surface. This will increase the surface energy of the substrate and provide a good key for the paint to adhere to. Once you've finished with the abrasive pad, use a lint-free cloth to wipe down any remaining contaminants. By default, the fan pattern of the aerosol can is a vertical fan. However, by turning the yellow nozzle through 90 degrees, it will turn the fan pattern into a horizontal shape, depending on which way you're spraying. So best practice for applying the aerosol cans to the substrate is to obviously remove the lid and shake the paint well. The optimal distance when using the aerosols from the nozzle to the substrate is about 6 inches. So I'm just going to show firstly a light dust coat, which will give you a better adhesion in the long run. So first we will do a light dust coat and just wait a few seconds for that solvent to flash off. Then you can use a full wet coat onto the substrate. Again, waiting just a few moments for that to flash off. Not forgetting, if you have any shaped edges of the profile, to rotate it to get all the available sides. Depending on the colour that you are using, you may need to apply more than one coat. For smaller items that might be susceptible to being blown away by the aerosol can, you may want to apply some double-sided sticky tape on the underside to stick that down to the surface. So this profile was sprayed just 5 minutes ago, and as you can see that already it is touch dry. There's no tacking or marring of the product. That will be ready for installation. For any more information on the Omnicoat-S aerosols or any of our sprayable products, visit www.colorspraynetwork.co.uk. If you'd like any more information or you'd like to speak to me about any of the products, please either connect with me on LinkedIn, follow us on Facebook, or email the sales office at sales@regalead.co.uk.